What are these? Man, why did you bring them like that?
This one, you are very many of them.
What will you do with these? Grasshoppers.
Oh, yeah.
You will eat them? Eat them?
Yeah.
Really?
I'm going to cook.
You will cook and eat them?
Mm.
You will fry them and eat?
Yeah.
Man, that's crazy. Okay, catch the
Let me
one.
see this one. Is the very one that.
Huh? You got them there?
Yeah.
Are you gonna catch them? You're catching them? There are so many grasshoppers around.